Gentlemen, happy Monday. Welcome back to one of the craziest weeks that we're going to see in the stock market this year. We have Powell coming up on Wednesday. We have an absolutely massive earnings week. And we do have some key economic data coming out this week as well. This morning, I believe we have services and manufacturing flash PMI. Yep, at 9:45. This is going to be very key data. The SPY is still chilling above 450 here. Let's see what it wants to do today. But it is going to be incredibly interesting, guys. I mean, we're going to really set the tone for what we're going to see over the basically into the end of the year for what we see out of this Fed meeting here. When we go over and take a look at what they're pricing in, we've talked about this a lot. It's almost 100% chance that we're going to get a 25 basis point rate hike on Wednesday, which is fine. I mean, that's not really that big of a deal. The market has already priced that in, and we'll see what happens after that. But when you go and take a look at September, we're holding. November, November, whoa, these are coming up 70.9. That's very interesting. And then December, 65. So this has been a very interesting trend that we've seen where the probabilities are slowly creeping up that we're only getting one more rate hike this year before next year when we start actually decreasing rates or leaving rates flat for an extended period of time. That is something that you guys all have to be aware of. But team, what the shit? Make sure that you guys are slapping that like button on the way in. Helps out a whole lot with the algorithms over here, everybody. Again, I don't want to see any slackers. I'm assuming that we're going to see a lot of nonsense in here today. So you guys are probably going to get a couple of good rants out of this. So it'll be fun. We'll have a good time. The stock market is always an interesting time around here as well, guys. And remember, everybody gets their first month free to trade1348.com. If you have not taken advantage of that yet, I don't know what you're doing. If you guys saw the interview I did last week, one of our 19-year-old members made over $100,000 in 13 days trading futures with Trade 1348. We have our millionaire member interviews. Again, guys, it's the best place to come and learn to trade. If you do want to actually take your trading to the next level, just use code GAINS, GAINZ, and you guys are good to go. Let's do it. Daily Taylor, come on. Don't set it off. Don't set it off already. Because I mean, I can tell you my thoughts on it. It's absolute bullshit. And people just don't know what they're talking about. And that's the problem. There's going to be a whole new batch of people that are just going to get led to the slaughter. I mean, once people really start talking about it in the live chat, I'll explain to you guys exactly what's happening right now with that letter and all that bullshit. Because honestly, you guys know I don't give a fuck. I told you it was done after 8. I mean, I can tell you what's going to happen next. You're not going to like it, though. So you're just not going to like it. So, we'll see. We'll see here. All right, where's Nancy? All right, and Nancy's up $4. Still, it's like 0.9% here. AMD flashing around basically flat. Tessie looking interesting. Rivian, PD. Oh, also, all those Bitcoin stocks that we were talking about yesterday just got hammered in the pre-market. So those are probably going to need an extra week or more to see what they want to do in their little consolidation phrase. Idiots back for the second round of getting burned by AMC. Yeah, they probably will be. But I'll explain. All right, you guys want me to do it now? I mean, it's almost not even worth doing it right now. Like, and I don't care. Like, that's the thing. Like, when I tell people, and we've noticed this, the people that are still like, oh, yeah, they're a lost cause. I've told you, and I've explained it to everybody so many times. So now it's just me fucking around. It's like, all right, well, you're not going to listen. So we'll see what happens. Like, do you guys, I was thinking about tweeting this. It's like, do you guys know how frustrating it is to see like us over here with 1348 and the tweets that we put out and the information that we spread, like saving retail investors. And then you see the same people over and over and over just pissing their life savings away. It's so frustrating because I'm like, why the fuck are you doing that? Don't do that. SoFi's about to blow up before earnings. I don't know. I mean, it might. I mean, that's an interesting one. I've been looking at SoFi. Could be an interesting earnings run up. I mean, I'm not really doing all that much with swings this week because of Powell and all the data and earnings that we have coming out. Just kind of going to give it a little bit of time to see where things settle in. NQ's in a 10-point range. That's tiny, isn't it, for NQ? Since when, though? I mean, you had the nice little push up in the morning on probably ES, but yeah, it is a chop fest. But yeah, guys, keep smacking that like on the way and help spread these streams out to some more people so we can actually help people make money in the market versus everybody just getting led to the slaughter. Do you know how fucking easy it would be for me to just literally put AMC in the title and pump views and then me make a bunch of money on YouTube? You know how easy that is? It's so easy. Do you guys know how easy it would have been to just keep like talking about AMC even like right after 8 when I had like 4,000 concurrent viewers on the stream? and just keep it going because I would have been just selfish and said, oh, I'll just keep the viewers. Do you really think I give a fuck? No. It's about you guys having the right information. So see what happens. If people start coming in saying wild shit, I'll tell them exactly what is happening. But other than that, leave them be. Leave them be. You should have made it clickbait for today. No, because honestly, here's honestly the thing. It's a this is actually like why I won't really do it ever again. The I hate to say it like this, but the absolute bullshit and just like filth mindset that comes with that and just attracting that to your channel is just not good. It's just it actually hurts your channel. Like I don't want these people hanging around. I really don't. Because I'm not going to sit here and bash my head against the fucking wall trying to get people to not do stupid shit. Like, I'm not doing that. You guys know the deal. We're going to continue to make money in the market and do our thing. Exactly, Rob. You get the wrong type of viewers. I don't want them. Just because most people run on emotion instead of logic. Right. That's why it's so easy to just pump the... Like, you guys do realize that that's what the people that are talking about, like, AMC on YouTube are doing, right? That's all they do. They're just pandering to you. Wouldn't it be very interesting to see that the people that some of you guys that are lurking in this live chat right now knew that Ape was about to come down and all of it was done after Ape, but then they still kept talking about it? That would be interesting, wouldn't it? Wouldn't it be interesting? Yeah. All right, guys. Let's see what we got today. 9:45 is going to get very interesting. Tomorrow, nothing too crazy, but Wednesday's big. Let's pull up the earnings calendar for a bit, too, to get because I haven't looked at it. I'm not really – I mean, maybe I'll trade a little bit of earnings, but nothing too crazy. Let's see. Earnings whisper. Let's see what we got. All right, so we've got today, after close, Logitech. That's really it. Tomorrow before open, Verizon, GM, 3M, General Electric, Spotify could be interesting, Raytheon. And then after close, here are the big boys. Microsoft, Alphabet, which is Google, Snap, Visa, Teladoc, Texas Instruments could be a very interesting one. People think Texas Instruments just makes calculators. No. Before open Wednesday, AT&T, Boeing, Coca-Cola, ADP. After close Wednesday, Facebook. Oh, Facebook could be really interesting for earnings with Threads. Because they're going to have to talk about the daily active users tanking and how they're going to monetize what's there. Chipotle, PTC, ServiceNow, eBay. Thursday after close. Where's Apple? Where's Apple and Netflix and all those? Like, where are these? I mean, this is a big earnings week, but it's not that big. I mean, we've got Microsoft, Google, Snapchat, Facebook, Intel, Roku. Like, it's not like it's big, but it's not interesting. I thought there were more. I thought this was the week. I mean, yeah, they kind of started spacing the earnings out a little bit more. Daily Terror, everybody. Everybody. They all knew. Let's see. Ooh, 2 likes away from 50. Thank you. Apple 8.3. Thank you. Thank you. Let's see what we got here. This one I'm interested in, PD. I dropped that one to you guys last night. There's no trades in the pre-market yet, so let's see what happens with it. But the crypto stocks got hammered, bro. Bouncing up a little here, but like Bitcoin got hammered. I was looking at this and what do we need to see? I mean, that's not in order for me to enter, that's not what I wanted to see. I wanted to see it hold this 200 EMA here on the 4-hour. It just said, nope, fuck you. Yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this now. We got to see some real interesting shit on the Bitcoin stocks in order for me to hop back in. Where's TLT? 102. Okay. DWAC stop stock in the middle of the run. Well, my rant on Friday was a top tick. So you're welcome again. Good morning, sir. Hope your weekend was amazing. My camping trip was great. Got another video posted and saved some. Oh, that's awesome, man. That's awesome, Nature's Barista. That's awesome, man. Yeah. Again, I mean, I know like everybody is always going to funnel into the hype stocks because they're just like trying to make a bunch of money in a day. That's not what you need to be doing in the market. The sooner that you realize that, the sooner you're going to have a lot of success. I can't get that conclusion done for you. I can explain to you with the most amount of logic and reasoning and irrefutable arguments, but you're going to have to come to that conclusion yourself. Well, let's see here, guys. We got 20 minutes to go until the ding ding. Rivian's down a little. Let's see. Tessie's down a decent amount here. TU. What's this, Sheila? What's TU? What's that? Is that you saying thank you? You're welcome. That's what I'm here to do. Make sure you guys aren't getting led to the slaughter. TUP. I've traded TUP before. I made some decent money on TUP, actually. Back in the good old days where we were slinging it in 2020. Thank you. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome. That's what I'm here to do. No, honestly, there were two ways that could go. When she said TU, it could have been a typo that just said FU. And I literally would not have put it past anybody to come in here, talk about a stock that was up a lot that I top ticked again and said was coming down, and then been like, fuck you. Like, it happens all the time. But Sheila, shout out to you. Good for you. There you go. All right, let's see what we get here. Anything good on Twitter? Anything good? Newsfeed? Nothing? Yeah, nothing. Nothing yet. Good morning, Nettie. Nettie's been on a hot streak. There you go. Yeah, Nettie's been crushing it. Dude, I had a weekend this weekend. First night was fun. Second night, I don't know what I did the second night. I don't know what I just like. I mean, I was just ripping tequila Red Bulls, bro. I was a little tired, and I was like, let's say fuck it and go for it. And it ended up going very well. It was pretty funny what ended up happening because I was talking to this person, and apparently it went very well. I don't remember very much of it. Like I do, but like not really. And then like I didn't like, all right. So I was talking to this person and I was like, all right, like apparently I said, I'm not gonna say what I said, but then I'm like, it's like 2 a.m. and I'm walking back from like, cause my buddy and I went back to like, because we live in like the same area. So like I walked back to his spot and we ordered burritos and I'm walking back to my place. And I get a random text. It's like, hey, this person gave me your number and then this and then hi. And I was like, all right, first of all, that person that you just mentioned doesn't have my number. So the only person that could have done this is my friend who knows the other person. So I call my friend and he's like, oh yeah. And I was like, well, here we go. I've been on a hot streak. Did I wake up with another pearl necklace? No. Stop. No. I'm behaving myself by not behaving. Oh, I said some other wild shit too. Fuck. Not to this one person, just like my friends. And I was like, oh, Jesus. This is a good one. Like these girls were like, oh my God, we think this girl wants to like beat us up. And I was like, here's what I would do in this situation. It's fine. Yeah, Moto's hilarious, bro. Moto's funny. Didn't go to the playground at all this weekend, though. Never went to the playground, which is shocking. Usually I end up there for like at least 30 minutes at some point. Usually happens. I'm just like, hi, I'm back. I don't know. I'm kind of like tired of the playground, but like not really. I think I need like a playground detox. Like don't go for a while to make it fun again because I can't. It's impossible for me to like go higher and do cooler shit at the playground. Like it's literally impossible. I cannot do anything that's so much different and then cooler than what I've done. I cannot do anymore. Unless there's one thing that I can do, but they're going to hate it. So they sell pizzas there too. You can order pizzas and they bring them out like bottles. So what I was going to do was just like make an agreement with them and just be like, okay, I'm going to order no booze, but we're just going to have a pizza party. I'll order like 35 pizzas and we'll just have a pizza party. That's it. Like I've done everything. You can't do more. I was like, oh, one table. Cool. Then for New Year's, I had 2. Then for my birthday, I had 3. What am I going to get? 4? I'm not doing that. Like I'm not, like I can't do anymore. It's impossible. At least you didn't get her pregnant. I did say I was going to, though. Reaper, I did. That was part of the conversation. Not in like direct terms, but like effectively. And I was like, shit. Not really. I was like, we've unlocked a new thing to say. All right, guys. 15 minutes to go. Keep smacking that like on the way in. We got some slackers in here that we know of so far. No, it's fine, bro. It's fine. Just leave me alone. It's gonna be okay. Oh, hello. All right, man. SPY starting to make a little bit of movement to the upside there. Very nice. Tessie coming back up there too. AMD, same deal. NVIDIA starting to get going a little. Let's see if this can hold going into market open, team. It's going to be an interesting week. I'm like very surprised about the amount of no nonsense in here. Maybe they just know to like not come here anymore. To be like, oh, he's just going to like tell us actually how it is. And like, I don't want to hear it. I think that might be what it is. They're like scared to hear the truth. You can't handle the truth. All right. Let's see what we got. I'll keep an eye on the Maros and the riots and the MSTRs. Like, keep an eye on those. I want to see what happens with those today. That was a big ass sell off. Tesla 4 hour looking nice with a bounce. Where did it hit? Okay. I mean, it's still got room lower. I want it off the 200 or this level here. This 240. Yeah, 240 or the daily 48, which is about the 4 hour 200. It's about around here. 244. I think we could see that depending on what happens with earnings this week in Powell. And that would be fun for Leaps. That would be really fun for Leaps, actually. SPY, little crazy candle there. Hello. Hello. Good afternoon. Yeah, guys, remember, everybody gets their first month free to trade1348.com. Again, that offer is going away very soon. Make sure that you guys are hopping in there before it's too late. All the predictive algorithms, all the AI algorithms, all the alerts, all the unusual options activity, all of the curriculum videos, the community, everything. It is going to take you guys to the next level. So again, you can come in, you can continue to get led to the slaughter and losing money in the market. The choice is yours. It's very binary. It's either come in or continue losing money in the market. Let's see. Oh, yeah. And make sure that you guys are hopping into Masterclass too. We got the go to your subscriptions area, click Get Master, reach out to Diane and Market Talk, and you guys can hop in there with us. You definitely want to be in there before August, man. We've got some crazy shit coming for you guys. All you Master members, we're just going to continue making things better and better. Microsoft about to pop? I haven't taken a look at Microsoft. What's up with that? It's up a little in the pre-market. How's the 4 hour? I mean, you could say it's trying to base right here, but I don't really like that. How's the daily look? The daily looks, that's too aggressive of a move down. I don't really like that. For a day trade, maybe you can day trade the shit out of it, but not really for me here. Not really for me. Dude, the elevators aren't working in my building. So I had to go on like a wild goose chase to like get out of the building this morning to go like buy more K-Cups. I was like, what the fuck is going on? And the elevators were broken on Wednesday. Wednesday they were broken. And I did think I was going to die. Oh, also, like 3 in the morning on Friday, the fucking fire alarms start going off. And it's like, attention, there's been an emergency reported in your building. And then I was like, oh, it's probably fake. And then there ended up being a bunch of fire trucks outside. And I decided that I didn't want to leave because I was tired. So I just went to bed and hoped for the best. And we're chilling. I made it. I didn't die. I wasn't gonna let some asshole who couldn't cook fucking, I don't know, some random late night snack keep me from going to bed. Let's see. All right, guys, we are about 35 likes away from 100. Keep smacking it, team. You guys are crushing it. Happy Monday, everybody. Welcome back. This is going to be another great day, man. Another great day in the market. Why did Twitter rebrand to X? I don't like that. I don't like this. What am I going to say? I'm Xing? I think I had a really weird thought last night that I think what Elon is doing now is he's done pretty much everything that he could do. So now he's trying to control the things that people say, not in like a nefarious way, but he's just like, let me see if I can just get people to say a funny thing all the time. Like, I genuinely think that's what he's doing. He's like, I'm going to change the name and then just like make them say funny things. I think. I don't know. I mean, he's a strange dude, but like, why rebrand it like that? Maybe because they're trying to like make this whole new thing or something. I don't know, man. I mean, they can do what they want to do. A tiny YouTube channel. Yeah. Here's what you do. I'll tell you how Nature's Barista. I'll tell you how I did it, and you're probably not going to want to do it. Here's what I did. I picked a bunch of stocks that a lot of people were interested in that I was also interested in. Then I made 3 videos a day for 6 months, even on the weekends. That's how you grow. When you start, it's about volume. That's what it is. It's about volume when you start. Like I hit like 1,000 subscribers in 20. I was monetized in 20 days, which is unheard of. You should not be able to do that. But I mean, I sort of knew what I was doing because I had some social media experience before. That's how you do it. It's just volume. And you have to know what people are interested in, but like also you have to be interested in it too. Like, because it's going to be not enjoyable if you're just talking about shit that like you don't give a shit about. More content. Yeah, that's usually what it is. Real dumb TV. Yeah, I think so too, man. So more content. Yeah, that's what it is. Like Nature's Barista. That's what I'm going to be doing now too. You've only got 16 subs so far in a couple months. Right, but how many videos have you posted? And what have you been talking about? Like, you got to look at that. You got to do keyword research. You got to know what's there. You got to look at competitors. You got to do all sorts of shit like that. It's not difficult. It's just a discipline game. You just have to just do it. And you just go boom, boom, boom. And then you get better at it too. Like, if you guys go back and watch my first videos, they're fucking terrible, bro. They're awful. But it still works because the information was still solid. It's not like the information in the brain is different. It's just the way I explained it to people. So like now I can explain things to you guys in a video in a much better way than I would when I first started because I've done it 1,000 times. So you just get better and better and better and better. Like focus on the data, focus on the, like, I mean, remember, like, this is the thing too. I got like to 80, like 50 something thousand subscribers when I was literally hitting Command Shift 5 on my computer and talking into my phone. Like, it's about the information and the volume of information that you're putting out for people. And if it's valuable, that's what it is. But all right, guys, 7 minutes to go until the ding ding. PMI? Yeah, I am. We all are. The manufacturing and services? Yeah, 945. That's going to move shit around. That I do think is going to move shit around. All right, 6 minutes here. Very good advice. Thank you. Totally respect your advice. We'll work to get more content. Also do a competition. Yeah, I mean, it's not like a study. You can just, I mean, get like vidIQ or TubeBuddy and you can look at keyword volume and shit like that. I mean, you also have to figure out something that's sustainable, like that you're going to be able to do for a while. Because like I could have stuck with videos, but like when I went to streaming and I was streaming from like 8:30 a.m. to 4 every day, that's not sustainable. You can't do that. AMC went from 801 to 583 over the weekend. Well, yeah, because it's a piece of garbage. And then Adam Aaron did what Adam Aaron does and said,
I am once again asking for your financial support.
That's what happened. That's my terrible Bernie Sanders impression. It's not good. It's like really not good. SPY slipping a little here. Yeah, dude, AMC's garbage. Like, what are we fucking talking about here? They're legitimate. If they cannot raise money or get to profitability, they're going bankrupt. That's what's happening. And guess whose fault it is? The funny thing is guess whose fault it is? It's not Adam Aaron's fault. Everybody fucking screams at Adam Aaron. Yeah, he fucked some shit up. Ape was completely useless. Completely useless, and he just pissed retail money away. But he didn't have another choice. Retail backed him into a fucking corner because they wouldn't let him dilute in the 40s. No, it's not fully his fault. If we're thinking about it on a sliding scale, it's mostly retail's fault because they wouldn't let him dilute when the share price was what, fucking 45. And how much did they raise from Ape? 200 million. It's a drop in the fucking bucket. They spend that in like less than a quarter. The investors voted to not dilute when prices were high. Yep, that was the dumbest thing ever. I was like, I don't like that. But fucking, it's not up to me. So now these people are gonna get diluted when it's lower, and it's never gonna, like, they're just so fucked, bro. They're completely fucked. Carvana, they did it right. I haven't really looked at the Carvana situation, but like I could take a look at them. They probably did, but the problem is that, or the actual thing that Carvana had that AMC didn't, is that Carvana didn't have a group of investors that wanted their share price to hit like fucking $1 million. So the shareholders are going to look more towards the company and what they need to do to survive and actually be more logical with it. And the whole thing too, like the whole thing started when I first started talking about the whole short squeeze situation. It was an amazing community of people that are actually learning and bettering themselves. And learning things about the market that people didn't previously. Now it's a fucking clown show. So I'm very happy with what I told you guys the day Ape came out. I've been spot on correct. And I'll just continue to do what we're doing over here with the Trade 1348 gang and absolutely helping people change their lives in the stock market. It's simple as that. Use simple logic. AMD, little slippage here with the SPY. All right, 3 minutes to go here, team. Keep smacking that like on the way in. We are 21 away from 100. Oh, I think we can do it. 1348 much better for sure. Yeah, it is. Oh, yeah. Before we go into open, I'll throw the link in the live chat for you guys to get your free trial, your free month. Use code GAINZ, GAINZ, and you guys are all good to go to hop in there with us. All right, team. Bro, I like these fucking vanilla K-Cups from Dunkin'. They're kind of like crack. Rivy moving a little bit in here into the pre-market or into market open. All right, let's see. Let's see. 2 minutes here. 2 minutes to go for the ding ding. Here we go. Vroom. Dude, the amount of fucking Lambos that I've seen in like outside my building recently pisses me the fuck off. I need to suck less at life. It's pissing me off. Fucking ripping out here. I'm just sitting here with no car because I don't need one, but soon, Pista. Soon, Pista. Or SF90. I don't know. I'd have to make a decision. I think I'll go Ferrari. Or Aston. I like the Astons. Astons are classy. Then I'd get a PPK and be James Bond. Because effectively I am. Rented Lambos? Nah, I see the same ones. I see the same ones around. Remember when STB did crack at the country club? No. I didn't do crack. I watched people do crack. Big difference. How do you not have a car? I don't need one. The amount of times that I've needed a car in living in Boston is a grand total of 0. Where do I have to go? I have to go to Southie, which is I could walk there. And fuck, like, all right, ding, 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 market open. Here we go. Let's see what we got. Rivy looking a bit spicy here. That's a lot of volume coming in. All right, let's see. Damn, SPY. Where's PD? Yeah. Knew this one was coming. All right, let's see what we got here, folks. Rants, nobody's stabbing me, bro. Dude, look at this. Off to the races this morning, huh? That's interesting. Rivy, little bit of excitement there, but nothing too crazy. PD came down really low volume on this thing. That's interesting. Tessie sharked and got bought. There goes Rivy. There she goes. Let's see. Let's see. Rivy, Rip City. Dude, SPY on a fucking mission here. AMC puts are printing, are they? Oh, fuck, I wanted those. Oh, come on. I wanted those. Fuck. Yeah, you got it there. That's a, what's that? Oh, yeah, that's a fat drop. Yeah, watch 5. I mean, we'll see what happens there. Oh, where are the crypto stocks? How are those doing? Mara, okay. Mara getting a little spice there. Let's see. AMC halted. It got halted on the way up. How? It, doesn't look like it. Doesn't look like it, man. All right, let's see. Where's Mara? How do your puts for 1.5 minutes? There you go. Rivy. Rivy ripping. Oh, halted on the way down. That makes sense. All right, guys, keep smacking that like on the way in. Let's see. SPY ripping. Where's QQQ? Yeah. Let's see. Dude, Rivian's just a fucking beat. Let's see if we can break 26. Sold your SPY calls? Oh, you probably made a shitload of money. Look at this fucking thing go. Oh, there we go on SPY. Where are the Qs? Qs, yeah, they're trying. Tesla doing nothing. Tesla's trying to get above that 3-minute 200. Rivian's trying to get above 26. If it does, that would get spicy. Yeah, there it goes. Ugh. Mara ripping. Let's see what happens at that 200. AI. Oh, AI. We've been watching that one. Okay. Where houses look on the longer time frames. I mean, I was fucking around with this one. I think I got a couple scale outs on that thing before I just stopped myself out. Yeah, up in here. I actually do not hate this. I don't hate that. It needs more time. And especially going into Powell week, it needs a little more time to consolidate. But yeah, I don't hate that. How's this look on the 4-hour? Yeah, watch a traffic light back up. Rivy sharked a little. KRE spiking. Okay. Mara, Sharky Shark. Yeah, little Sharky Sharks across the board here. Let's see what it wants to do. Netflix for 2069, really? Let's see if Mara can get over this level here, 1650, 1654. That'd get interesting. Rivian above 26 is interesting. SPY, Sharky Shark. AMC to 3 makes sense. I mean, probably. Where is it? Uh-oh. 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 And let's see. Why is AMC halted? Because it's fucking tanking like it should be. Simple as that. Would you guys like the AMC explanation at some point? Where would you like it? When would you like the truth? When would you like it? Because I'll tell you again. I'll just keep telling you the truth. It's not halted anymore. No, it's not halted anymore. I popped it back up and it was getting murdered. Think about all the emotional damage for the idiots that bought AMC trash this morning. Honestly, probably not a whole lot of people did. Yeah, selling off here a little on the SPY. Let's see what it wants to do. AMC dead. Is it below 5? It bounced. It bounced at 5. I mean, what did I tell you? Watch it at 5. Mara not doing anything. Rivy sharking. SPY sharking. It's a tradable stock. Play the traffic lights. Exactly. All right. We're going to have enough of that. We're going to not play that fucking game. I want to see Mara above that 1650. I want to see what happens above there. Tesla needs a jump start. Tesla had some news that there it goes. Yeah, AMD thigh gapping, but it's a little too early for that. You know, a little too early for that. Let's see. Let it go, people. It's been years now. Yeah, I don't know why they're. I mean, I do know why, but they just have to understand that it's dead. We called it dead. It's been dead. It's going to continue to be dead. Let's see. Ooh, guys, we are 14 likes away from 100. Keep smacking that on the way in. TSLL instead of Tesla. What's that? What's TSLL? No, I don't like the 3 times levered stuff. I just don't. They're not for me. If you like them, you can take it though. You can do whatever you like. It is your money. Yeah, you're hunting the 1650 here on Mara. Let's see what happens. You love how quickly threads died. Yeah, dude. Top calls for 60% tough spread. Dude, yeah, the spreads are shitty, but like, yeah, I've traded the shit out of that thing before. And here comes Mara coming up a little. Let's see if we can break 1650, 1654 and start moving back to the upside there. Spy's looking interesting. Rivian's got to get above 26 and start screaming, potentially getting to this level, 26, 25. That's kind of what we're looking for here. Tessie, let's see if it can hold above that 200, get going. AMD fucking around, doing all sorts of nonsense. We got NVIDIA sharking here. Have I looked at Lucid for the long-term port? Hell no. I'm not touching anything on Lucid for the long-term port. I fucking hate that company. They could completely change their way around here, and I'm still not buying it. I don't like Rawlinson. I don't like him. Tup is up 85% on the day. What the fuck? Is it earnings? Oh, I used to trade this thing like way back when. Like way back when I used to trade Tup when it was not $1. Oh, I didn't see this. This is fucking piece of garbage. Mara. Let's see. Spy hit that high there. Let's see. Let's see. 2 minutes till data. Yeah. Yeah. 2 minutes till data. That's important. All right. Let's see. Yeah, these are looking interesting. Mara chopping around. You got a minute left until services and manufacturing flash PMI. There's the data. IWM's flying. Here comes SPY. Let's see if this goes blast off. I don't see the data yet, but let's see what we got. Ralph, do you have it? It hasn't come through my feed yet. $15-minute traffic light? We don't trade 15-minute traffic lights. All right, let's see. Nancy slipping. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. Here comes the SPY shark. Let's see. All right. Let's see what we got. Rivy's still pushing, man. Whoa, Rivian, what the fuck is going on here? That's screaming. What the fuck just happened to Rivian, bro? What is that? With SPY moving down like that, Rivian just goes boom off to the races. Watch this thing. Watch 26.25. What data? Flash services and manufacturing PMI. Let's see. I mean, watch it. This could get interesting here. Mara's getting killed. Let's see. Composite miss, 53.1. Expected 52 actual, service 54, expected 52.1 actual. Okay, interesting. Shark. It's trying to hold 26 here. Rivy, what are you doing? Is there news on you, or are you just saying fuck it, YOLO? SPY at the 3-minute 24. Dude, like if Rivian breaks that 26.25, it's going to get fucking nasty. Like there's lots of interesting levels up here. Let's That's a big fuck you candle. Let's see. Here comes Rivy. AMC approaching 5. Yeah, it makes sense. Let's see. Yeah, a little sharp there on Rivy. Let's see if it holds 26. Yeah, let's see what happens here. Mara losing 16 would be bad. I mean, this thing just like tried and then got killed. So. Whoa, Rivian kill. Whoa, 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 whoa. Rivian, something's going on with Oh, that's a spy move. That's what it was. Yeah, Rivian's doing some weird shit, bro. Look at this. That's a fuck you candle if I've ever seen one. Look at that. That knife to 24.75. That's insane. Look at this fucking thing. Look at that, dude. That's a giant fuck you candle. Look at IWM in the weekly. Pretty strong. Yeah, fair. Exxon time to cut those 728 call up 98%, 7%. There you go, Ralph. Let's see what happens with SPY here at the 3-minute 200. That's going to be an interesting spot. What's the news on Rivian? That's a news kit. Affirm paid off. Affirm fell off a cliff. SCB paid off by the hedgies. Coin death. Dude, a lot of things are. Yeah, Coin, Mara, they're all getting killed here. Let's see. SPY at that 3-minute 200. Let's see. Dude, what was that on Rivian? You got that giant fuck you up and then that knife candle. SPY kind of, oh, SPY's getting clobbered here. Look at this. Let's see. You do have these levels down here. $40% on a SPY put. Grab the bag. There you go, Keith. rotation to commodities, oil, mining, staples. Oxy having a day over here. Jesus. Hold on. Hold on one sec. All right, cool. Up 19.75% on the port for the day and walking away. There you go. Let's see. What's Rivy doing? Let's see. Let's see. Is Oxy still going? Sort of. Sorta. That's a big move down on the spot here. What is is there a level on like the 10-minute or something? No, it just got fucking hammered. Ooh, we are 5 likes away from 100. Thank you, team. Let's see. Let's see what we got here. 13.1% on the day, and we're out. William, there you go. Again, guys, everybody gets their first month free to trade1348.com. There you go. I mean, guys, here's the link for it. Use code GAINS. It's free for your first month. There you go. Now, here we go, screaming back up. This looks interesting. Let's see what we get here. AI loses $1.50 in 10 minutes. Wow, dude, everything's been moving like crazy. Did this thing shark too? Dude, everything got hammered here. Just sharking into oblivion. Look at this. Let's see. $11% and 9% win for the day. I'm out, team. Thanks, 1348 in the Yowzer. There you go, buddy. There you go. Let's see here. AI's getting hit. Where's this on the daily? You do have this 36.67. All right, let's see what we get here, folks. Rivian looked like it wanted it this morning and then just got hammered. Look at that. Here comes SPY a little. Let's see here. Hold on. Let's see what we get. All right, let's see if this thing wants to recapture that 13 here, or if it just wants to get mollywopped. Small port up 28% just on AMC puts. Good shit, Wreck-It Ralph. Good shit, buddy. Let's see. Hold on. Let's yeah, you got that 13 you got to fuck with. Rivian's back above 25, but that's not really saying much after that drop. You never went with Tesla calls it a dead horse? Well, Tesla also just had earnings, and it's fucking around a lot. You got to be careful with it. All right, let's see. I mean, it's trying to hold here. Where's AI? AI, I think, is just still knifing. Yeah, this thing's just still knifing. We love it when you talk mollywop to us. I try, man. I do my best. Let's see what we got. Yeah, you got to clear that 5-minute 13 in order to do anything special here on the SPY. Let's see. Exxon still pumping? Let's see. How many people use 1348? A shitload, bro. You know why? Because it works really well. And we have, what do you call it, 19-year-olds making $100,000 in 13 days, bro. That's why it's like, go get your first month free before we pull that offer. We want to make sure that you guys are getting in there. Yeah, you're about to get a new 5-minute candle here on the SPY. 1348 made your wife attractive again? Jesus. It's a bit harsh. It's a bit harsh. Was that 13? 453, 41. I tried. Got sharked again. Rivy, sharky, sharky. Let's see. Oh, that's rude. I mean, on the 5-minute, you do have this break retest of the 13. Here it comes lower. Think. Huh. Let's see what we get. Dude, these oil stocks are going fucking nuts. Tassie moving up. Huh. Okay. Faust, what'd you do? Faust. Faust, what is it? What'd you do? What'd you do, buddy? $5,400 times. No, today. So what is the total now? 160,000? Faust. Faust. What's the total? Is it 150K? No way. Like 200K? Jesus Christ. Jesus, dude. Jesus. 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 That's fucking insane. You caught the NQ pop and then the put in the morning. Jeez, bro. That's congratulations, man. That is awesome. That is fucking awesome, Faust. 1348 giving clear entry confluence is too easy. Yep. Again, guys, I'm going to throw the link in the live chat again for you. Everybody, make sure you get that first month free. There you go. Tim, thank you so much for the super chat, buddy. I appreciate you. There's that link there, guys. Again, I don't know what you're doing not being in there with us. You just let yourself get led to the slaughter. So, again, I just put out another tweet. Team, make sure that you guys go watch that interview with Faust. It's the most recent video on the channel. Here's this tweet right here. Make sure that you guys go drop a like, drop a retweet. Dude, the stuff that we have here is just so fucking powerful. I love seeing you guys win all the time, man. It is so awesome. McLaren 720S coming soon. I can race your Pista. Yes, you can, buddy. Faust, fuck yeah, bro. That is unbelievable. Dude, you might have like the highest payouts on fucking Apex right now. You legitimately might have the highest profit on Apex. Yeah, so guys, go drop a like, drop a retweet on that tweet that I just put out. Spread the word about what we're doing over here. We do have that interview out for you guys with Faust. It's the most recent video on the channel. It's fucking insane, bro. For this month, yeah, but there's people that have taken out $1 million in a month. Yeah, that's true. That's true. But dude, you might like for this month, you might be number one. Or at least top 10, bro. Like, that's fucking crazy. That's awesome, man. Oh, come on. Come on. Hold on. Yeah, SPY fucking around. A lot of things are just screwing around here. AMC might see 14 this week. Nope. Nope. Why the fuck would it do that? Literally everybody knows that AMC is always going to be using retail as exit liquidity to pad their own balance sheet, which is not going to help anybody. Then, oh, here we go. Then everybody and their mother who has a brain knows that this is probably not, it's done. They've listened. Like retail isn't as stupid as everybody thinks they are. That's why nobody bought Ape. That's why it tanked. Nobody bought it. Because AMC thought that retail investors were going to be stupid enough to just hand over money. You know what happened? All the equity that was in AMC pissed away, gone forever. And then Ape is now useless to everybody. Now they're going to try to convert and try and sell shares at a higher price, but the price is still going to be really low. And then they're completely fucked because if they don't do that, then they're going to file bankruptcy unless somehow they have the best box office for fucking of all time for the next 10 years. I think it's a typo. I think he meant 4. That's also very true. Let's see. That could easily happen. SPY ripping back up. Yeah, Ribby made an attempt. Anders, what up, buddy? How you doing? You meant 140? Oh, you're so fucked. You are so fucked. Oh, man. You're so fucked, bro. Jesus. Oh, man. Oh, man. Led to the slaughter. I don't know who the fuck you're listening to, but it's the wrong person. You love revving my motor? Yeah, that's fine. I know you're just fucking around. The people on Twitter are just like screaming. They're yelling. They're like, ah! Amazing how much changed over the last 2 years with everyone's opinion of AMC. Well, that's because of Ape, bro. It's very simple. All these people are like, why did you switch? Because the fucking whole thing changed. Would you rather me sit here and just say, nah, it's cool. Nah, it's fine. When it's just not? Like, SV, I did that part of the spy that looks, but wait, what? Then shark out of nowhere? Wait, you bought up here? That doesn't make any sense. You wouldn't buy calls up here. That wouldn't make any sense. Kava is strong today? Yeah. Things up 6. That's nice. Yeah, it's like, okay, when things drastically change, you want me to sit here and be like, nope, it's the same thing as before. It's fine. And it's like, no, it's not. Like, it's just not. All right, team. Nancy looks interesting here on the 3-minute. Let's see. Is this the part where you would look to buy calls on SPY, then it would shark at an hour? No. I mean, this easily could shark right back down. I wouldn't touch it here. Let's see. Microsoft's OpenAI powered Bing chatbot is now available in Google Chrome. Ooh, Microsoft. They're moving off that a little bit. Yeah, they're moving up a little bit off that, but also the market's pumping here. Let's see. Also, hit that like button, you crazy peep. Thank you, Nathan. Appreciate that, buddy. And Tim, thank you for that super, bud. I appreciate that. Let's see. Rivy's trying, but like that's just this was fucking insane. Like let's see. There goes SPY. Pushing. So, ooh, sharked. Let's see. Rivy come back out to play if we can get past that 200. It might. I mean, if you had a lot of excitement on this thing this morning, and then that fucking fuck you candle came out of nowhere. So we gotta see what happens with this. I mean, SPY above 454. Interesting. Rivy's not doing it. Let's see. Let's see. Tesla, there you go. Holy Tesla. Nice little confluence trade there, man. Holy shit. Jesus. Do I trade Neo? Sometimes. Sometimes. Oh, there goes Rivy a little. There she goes a little. Let's see. Yeah, Microsoft popped a little there. Tessie just going. Ooh, AMD. Hella. Whoa, look at that thigh gap move on AMD. Holy shit. Rivi come out to play. She's trying, bro. She's doing her best. It would need the ideal level to break today on Rivian is 26.25. That's what you got to break. It's Neo's moving. I think Neo's moving nice as well. Oh, Neo. There she goes. Oh, look at Neo go. That's nice. Where's Palantir? Is Palantir getting hammered or is it? It's pretty flat. There goes Rivi a little. All right, break 25.50. That could get a little spicy. Any reason why garbage stocks are running? BBIG is racing AMC now? No, I don't fucking care. I mean, they move together sometimes with some bullshit, but not the biggest deal in the world. All right, Palantir running. Neo really getting up there though. Over 11.50. That's interesting. Watch 25.50 on Rivi and then 26.25 if it wants to keep going like this. Let's see. Yeah, SPY would need to get a big flash here up through the high 450, 450, which you got to break 454 first. Rivi, you got a minute left. If this 5-minute candle closes or this is a 3-minute candle, where's this on the 5? A close over the 5-minute 200 would get interesting on that. You've had Neo calls for September 10th. There you go. Or November. Those are still good. Chinese stimmy coming into manufacturing soon. Well, could we see a Baba move, something like that? Yeah. Fuck. I was looking at Baba. I am interested in Baba. Fuck. I wish I caught that one because I think wasn't that one of the ones on the list I gave you guys? Yep. Yeah, it was. Rivi's trying to cruise. Rivi's trying to cruise. Let's see. Nah, I didn't get it. Spy Shark? Nah, kind of. China doesn't give stimmy to people as much as to the companies. Baba likely wants to do the same movement as manufacturers. Okay. Murdered your Neo swing? Fuck yeah, Logan. There you go, buddy. Tessie's still going. Baba trying to get. Where's JD? Yeah, JD went too. Let's see. Yeah, you didn't get that close above. It can still rip from here, though. I mean, you got this 200 EMA and 25.50 on Rivi. But if the SPY does this and nice all the way back down, it's not happening. Tessie coming down a little. AMD looking interesting today, man. Less countries that to export to. Interesting. Yeah, there's the shark. Spice. That was the AMD shark. Did NVIDIA do it? Sort of. Tried to get above that 3-minute 200. Rivi's trying to do it here. It's getting sold into, though. Let's see. All right. It's trying, man. It is trying. What about yeah, the China stocks are going a little here. Did Baba shoot up a little? A little bit, 15 cents. SPY trying to crack above 454. Yeah, I'm just waiting for stuff. Like, it's just not. What are the other stocks on the list that I gave you guys? Let me see. Oh, I haven't looked at this one. I mean, this one's cranking too. Rivi's making an attempt. If it breaks, you might shoot a little, but you need help from the SPY. Played a dangerous SPY call, but managed to get out with a 6% gain. At a boy, Keith. That's my fucking man right there. There you go. There's 25.50. See if it breaks or if it just gets shot down. Tesla China may actually have struggles competing in China if they've stayed manufacturers like NIO and BYD. Well, remember, they already signed the agreement to not do the price gouging. Still only doing paper trades, but 3 for 3 at the moment. There you go, Tim. Are most small cap stocks heavily shorted? Well, yeah, but that's not an investment thesis. Most of them are shorted for a reason. It's not an investment thesis. Oh, it's shorted. Let's buy it. That's silly. Yeah, Rivi got sharked off that 25.50. SPY's coming up, though. Ziggity Zach, please, for the love of God, do not chase short squeeze plays all the time. You're going to end up in tears like all those other people that didn't listen to me. Yeah, SPY, Sharky. All right. That candle opened above. It's retesting. You got to see if this is going to get the pop here. 5-minute traffic light flashing on Rivi. AMD trying. This thing's just not moving. Where's PD? I think shark. Actually, hold on. Where did that shark do? Yeah. Yeah, right to the 13. Right to the 13. All right, let's see. The dealership showroom. Pepe's buying a car. Let's go. I love it. I love it. Dude, you guys that have been in with us for a while, I mean, you guys are killing it. I love seeing the vacations that you're taking, the everything that you guys are being able to do because of your involvement on our platform, guys. That is amazing. Remember, everybody gets their first month free. Make sure that you guys are going to watch the most recent video on my channel. That's with Faust Josue, who made now over $200,000 in like the last 15 trading days. So there's the link. The QR code's on the screen. Use code GAINS, GAINZ. You guys are all good to go, man. But guys, I got a lot of shit I got to do today. So I think we're gonna wrap up a little bit early. We got some things we got to do, got some meetings, got some awesome stuff that we got to prepare for you guys. So remember, make sure that you guys are hopping into masterclass before it is too late. Go to your subscriptions area on platform, click get master, or just reach out to Diana in market talk. But yeah, we got to head out a little bit early today, but I will see you guys. I think I'm going to be able to get a video out for you guys later too. So make sure that you guys have your notifications turned on. Team, I will see you guys over on platform.